It's Mr. John. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at converting percentage to decimals. So here we have 9%. For some reason, the calculator is not operational and you need to convert this percentage into a decimal. I want you to just simply rewrite 9%. Then I want you to write 9. And we're going to turn this percentage sign into a decimal point. And from there, we're going to move 2 spaces to the left. Write this down, 2 spaces to the left. That's going to be 1, 2. Decimal point is going to come right here, 0 here, 0 there. So this is going to be 0.09. So 9% as a decimal is 0.09. Let's look at another example. 12%. So percent to decimal. 12% to a decimal is, yeah, you have 12% already. You're turning the percentage sign into a decimal point, and then you're moving the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So that's going to be 1, that's going to be 2. Put your new decimal point. What is that going to look like is this, 0.1. Another example, let's say you need to convert this into a decimal. Then it's going to be, write it to the right, 1.25 as a decimal. How so? Simple. You rewrite the 125 back. You turn the percentage sign into a decimal point. I replace it. And then you're moving 2 spaces to the left, right? So 1, that's 1. So that's 1, 2. Nearest in your decimal point right here. That's how I get 1.25 as a decimal. I hope this video would have been helpful to you. And before you leave, here's one more for the road. It's Mr. John, and I'm off.